So that's why you have to go through the theoretical part also. Then you can
Sir,
answer.
the city will held next week. It's 14 November.
What is that? 14 November.
Yes, sir. 14 November is our Math City 2.
I know that it is that 11. What? It is changed within the time. Operator city list. Seer, tell me. Fahim, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
What is the exact date of the city? It is 16 November.
Sir, it is 16 November, sir. On 14 November, we have another city of another subject, sir.
Okay, it's 16 November. So EC is over. 16 November.
Sir, yes, sir. 15 November, we have EC 116 city, and on 16 November, we have Math City.
No problem. Is that so it is finished about the syllabus. Now we are going to discuss about the last class. We have covered in our last class almost finished the generalization of second degree. So in the generalization of second degree, I just covered few points. Then we'll start the circle, the critical part of the circle. Then we'll cover the system of circle. Okay. Let's check back. It is that actually generally second degree we have solved almost all the maths. You see that is the nature of conic given by the equation. Actually, I have few points about this question. In that case, every time you will see that your question pattern will be same, but the figure, the variables may be changed. Okay, so that's why you have to take proper preparation that you can answer in any mode of change. Okay. So these three same category, you can solve the problem. That's the nature of the conic, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, or pair of straight line, whatever you can find out with the help of these properties. The find the center of the conic. So one a bit it is upgraded. That means it is character of conic. Then after you have to find out the characteristics of the conic. Then you have to find out the center of the conic. Then reduce the equation standard form as like as first one. Then I am giving the few assignments. Then it is already solved 6, 7, 9, 10, 15. 15 and 6 are very important. In the problem 10, 12, 20, bravo, I have already solved in the class, 22 also. So you have to, again, you have to practice and deposit it in the as assignment in this Google Classroom. We have solved these two problems in last class. 11 standard form, then 12 the degree standard form, then 22 we have solved in the last class, and this one 22 and 20, bravo, we have solved in my last class. So I think there is nothing in this chapter, but is there any peculiarity there? You must convey the message to me. Anybody have query? Abrar Mahir Ehsan, would you like to tell anything? Okay, so this is about the general equation of second degree. We have covered all those points and we have find out all the equation of directives, letters rectum, then center of the foci, center of the coni, whatever. So all the characteristics we have solved, the characteristics we have discussed and solved. So any type of problem will arise, I think you can solve. Okay. Now we are going to the new chapter. It is the circle. Okay, circle. In your higher secondary, you have already studied about the circle. So I would not like to highlight more points, but what is the basic formulas you require in future subsequent classes like the system of circle. So I will discuss today about this point. Okay, just coming the earliest slide. Okay. So I think what the circle, you see there's a circle, you see the coordinates of the circle is sk. The radius is a, so you know the equation of the circle, x minus s whole square, y plus y minus k whole square equal to s square. Where if it is the origin, so you see that x square plus y square equal to s square. So a is the radius of the circle. So coordinates of the center is hk. So I think now you understand. If the coordinates is 0, 0, coordinates is 0, 0. So circle equation would be x square plus y square equal to s square. That means origin. Center. If the center is at the origin, then it will be x square plus y square equal to s square. I think now you already know about this few points, whatever you discussed in your higher secondary level, and you know it. I think very well. Then a few points, general equation of the circle, the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This one also you have discussed in your basis. Center of this equation is minus g minus f, and the radius is g square plus f square minus c. Remember it. Again, I am repeating. The center of the equation of the general equation of circle is the minus g minus f. Then the radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. I think now it is clear to you all. The equation of circle whose diameter is the line joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So again you see the equation of the circle whose diameter you know on that which diameter is there is a two diameter. One is that suppose P is x1, y1 is q, x2, y2. These two is joining the line. So this equation would be what? X1 is x1 into x1 is x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2. Then it equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle whose diameter is joining the two points. Any two points it will be joined in case of the diameter. So this equation will fulfill the requirements. Khalifa's method is very much important for our solving the various types of problems. So remember it, the Khalifa's equation. Please write down the formula. Though it will not be utilized in this chapter, but next subsequent chapter we will utilize it. And sometimes I will call you that what is the Khalifa's method. The equation of the circle passing through x1, x2, y1, x2, y2 is like earlier. Up to this part is that actually two point passing through the diameter up to this. Okay. Again, lambda into this one. Combination of both. Okay. So few questions arises here that if S1 one cycle, S2 and the cycle are two cycles, then the equation of the circle passing through the intersection points of point is S1 plus K into S2 equal to 0. Then you can find out the intersecting point. So in that case, a question can be maybe arise in your mind. What do you understand the position of the point with respect to a circle? Put the point. There is a several expectation of several design that is, it can be the inside, it can be the outside, or it can be the on the circle. So if it is the zero circle, so it is called the limiting point. If it is the zero circle, I'm just drawing the figure for your understanding. Suppose this is a circle. This is a circle that you make it closer, closer, zero point. So it is this point. This point is called the point circle, as well as it's called the limiting point. Okay. Limiting point. We'll discuss later about the limiting points, order contacts and other things. Now, S1, S2 are two cycles. Then the equation of the cycle passing through the intersection. E intersection point is S1 plus lambda S2 or K S2 equal to 0. About the position, it is already outside, inside, and on the circle. You already understand from there. Here, the position you can take over here, outside the circle, inside the circle, or on the circle. So the equation of the tangent of a circle very important. The equation of the tangent of the circle, please write down everybody. X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 gf into y plus y1 plus equal to 0. So you have to remember. You have to remember this formula for the equation of the tangent of a cycle. Very much important for this next substitution circle system of cycle. The equation of the normal, almost same category, but a bit changes. You see y to x1 plus g, x1 plus g, then minus x into y1 plus f, then fx1 minus g y1 equal to 0. So up to this is the critical discussion or formula. We'll, on the basis of this formula or critical discussion, we will solve maths problems. We'll solve the problems whatever it is given. The normal of a point is connecting the line of the center of the circle with this point. Now come to the point at the chord of contact. Chord of contact is nothing if you draw two tangents from outside any single point. From any single point, the tangents will cover or touch two points of the circle. These 2 points joining these two points is, and there is a straight line. This line is called the chord of contact or polar. So you see that the point, in case of the pole, the point is pole. It is tangent. You know that both tangent touches upon here, and adding these 2 points, you will get the chord of contact or polar. So if the circle is this is two tangents drawn from the x1, x2, y1, then the equation of chord of contacts. Then the equation of chord of contacts is x1 y1 plus g into x plus x1. You have already discussed this formula. Please write down chord of contact, equation of the chord of contact. Please, x1 y plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. The equation of chord of contact, polar, and the tangent is same. Again, this is very much important. You see, this discussion will be discussed in the ellipse also. The equation of chord of contact, polar, and the tangent is same. The equation of chord of contact, polar, and the tangent is same. Again, the equation of chord of contact, polar, and the equation of ellipse is same. Okay, so remember it. In ellipse chapter, you will know it. Very important formula for here. The equation of pair of tangents is SS1 equal to T square, where S equal to circle S1 circle at the point. It's the given point. Given point x1, y1, there's something like this. The circle S1 circle at the point, and T is the tangent. Okay. If the circle is this.
Sir, S1 টা বুঝিনি স্যার। S1 বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে? সার্কেল এট দ্য পয়েন্ট।
একটু গ্রাফে যাই, আমরা বোর্ডে যাই। Okay. S1, this one is S1. Okay. If you touch on the other side, in a point, that's S1. So S1 for this one side. So S1 equal to T square. This formula is telling you. The S1 means actually S1 means there's a point P. This X1 point. So this is the simple thing. I think you may not understand that this is okay. Another cycle, another straight line, another anything. That means circle at the point. Circle এটা আছে but তার একটা পয়েন্ট একটা পয়েন্টে যে সার্কেলটা পাবো ওইটা হচ্ছে S1. That means it can be the new one. So suppose x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. If you satisfy a formula that it is that xy equal to 1 2, so you'll get the value for the S1. But it is not the exact. If you think that it is the x1 y1, so you'll write x1 square y1 square 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c equal to 0. So this is another S1. Okay. So after this, the main formula is that t is the tangent square. So you have to find out tangent also. As S1 equal to t square. Equation of product contour, polar and tangent same. So we have covered this thing. There is some problem. I will not discuss any problem from the chapter. We directly go to the system of cycles. You see few minutes, you can go through the examples in the chapter, but it's not more important for you. It's not very important for the exam. But system of cycle is very much important. Now we are going to discuss about the system of cycle. So gentlemen, this is the system of cycles we are going to discuss. Okay. So in the system of cycles means the set of circles. System of circles means the set of circles. It can be the touch inside, internally, externally, and point circle also. And internally, externally, point circle. So system of circle, angle of intersection of two curves is the angle between the tangent and the intersection point. So it is very much important to see the tangential point. This one, the angle. So the angle between two circles is the angle between two tangents at the intersection point. Tangent at the intersection point. So I think you have an idea already. Angle of intersection. Angle of intersection of two curves is the angle between the tangent at the intersection point. So the angle between two circles, is the angle between two tangents at that intersection point. So it's angle between two circles, again the angle between the tangent of the two circles, same thing. And angle is always fixed. So formula is already given. Sometimes we also use this cos theta formula. Sometimes we use the direct formula. So remember it. You please write down the formula one after another. Okay. Please write down all the formula one after another. Write down all the formula. It is required. That's why you have to write down. and each and every things it is written. And to R1 R2 equal to G1 G2. This formula we utilize within short time, within 1 or 2 minutes. So we have to write down the formula. Okay. Write down the formula. There's eye contact. So it is written. You already see two circle. X square plus y square plus 2g1x 2f1y plus c equal to 0. Circle x square plus y square plus 2g2x 2f2y plus c c1 c2. Okay. So here are the two circles, then the angle of intersection. Angle of intersection cos theta equal to 2r1 r2. Who can help me? 2r1 r2. R1 r2 means what? R1 r2 2g1 g2 f1 f2 minus c1 c2. Okay. So general R1 R2 means the for first circle there is R1 is the radius. For second circle is the R2 is the radius. Okay. Now remember it. Okay, I think it is possible to see the whiteboard. So remember it. That's why I just when it is the limiting point. You see R1 and R2 will be 0. If it is limiting point, R1 R2 will be 0 again. And again, if theta equal to 0, again theta equal to 0, then the two circles touch each other internally, cos 0 equal to 1. If theta equal to 0, then two circles touch each other internally. Bitore. Cos 0 equal to 1. 2 R1 R2 equal to this one, these two. So if it is 1, cos 0 equal to 1, so R2 R1 2 equal to 2 Z1 2 Z1 G2 2 F1 minus C1 minus C2. Automatically, from put the 1 here, you will get this result. Again, minus 2 R1 R2, so it is the simple changing. Okay, so it is the theta equal to 180 degrees, so it is the minus 1. 180 degree cos 180 degree minus 1. Condition of orthogonality. Condition of orthogonality very much important. Condition of orthogonality very much. Orthogonality means perpendicular each other. Condition of orthogonality. Remember it. I am writing for you, giving emphasis on you. This G1 G2 plus 2F1 F2 equal to C1 plus C2. Remember it. We will utilize these two formula one after another. That's why I am giving the emphasis on these points. So I think you should understand the orthogonality condition as well as these the point of intersection at the angle theta. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about this system of circle, very important points. Then some number one, the radical axis, radical center, coaxial circles or coaxial system. Then pencil of coaxial circles or limiting points, point circle, limiting points, point cycle, limiting points. We will discuss this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points one after another. So at first it is the radical axis internally and externally. You will see that radical axis. You see from the figure, this part, internal part. Actually, if it is the draw the tangent, that time it is out of contact we are telling. But in case of these, the two circles touching each other internally, externally or internally. It is externally, it is internally. So this 2 point is it is called radical axis. Again, joining this point, radical axis, you see the perpendicular line, the middle, and in the external, two cycle don't touch each other. So that's why it is externally draw the radical axis. So joining the center of this axis, center of the two cycles, then draw the perpendicular at the middle. It is the radical axis external. So internally you already understand, don't require to discuss more, but in case of the externally it is required. Radical axis is perpendicular to the joining center of the circle. Same, you see, this is the suppose is the center. Again, this is the center. So draw the line and draw the another radical axis. So it is that it is perpendicular each other. Axis and S1 S2 0, the radical axis is S1 minus S2. The radical axis is S1 minus S2. It is easily will give you the straight line, not any cycle or sine degree equation. S1 minus S2 is provide coefficient of x2 and y2 are unity. S1 S2 equal to 0 provided coefficient of x2 y2 are unity. Let me see in equation 1. So equation of the radical axis for the 2 points, there are 2. Equation of radical axis. Z1 minus Z2 to x. That's C1 minus. Remember it. For these problems, you need this the subsequent. So up to this, I think you understand. Now it is the radical center. Very clear, crystal clear figure. It is here. We have considered that 3 center is here. C1, C2, C3, or Q1, Q2, Q3. These 3 center. Actually, this figure is a bit shifted. Okay, that's why maybe center is. Internally, this figure. Okay, I'm drawing, then you'll understand. So the perpendicular line of this is one. This point is the radical center. Though I have draw the figure in very close contact, that's why it is in the circle, but it will not be in the circle. It is outside the circle. These three center, suppose C1, C2, and C3. So mean the in close contact on the perpendicular of each other leg lines, and you get that one single point is the radical center. I think in the figure you already understand this straight line drawn from here, and it is perpendicular on the other two line. Okay, so it will give you the better picture, and it is in the pressure also it is given here, clear pictures. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to solve. Discuss about the very important point, coaxial circles or coaxial system. You see the coaxial circles are the circles which have the common radical axis and whose center are collinear, same line, on the same line, collinear, on the same line. Any types of circle you draw, no problem. You see that there's a system of circle, three circles are here, 1, 2, 3 circles. Again, this is the three circles are here, but pattern doesn't same. It is one type of circle, there's one another type of circle. Okay. Coaxial circles are the circles which have common radical axis and whose centers are collinear on the same line. Coaxial circles are the circles which have common radical axis. Common radical axis. This is the center joining the line, is the radical axis, and this is the we are always telling this is the radical axis, isn't it? The internal is the external. Okay, it's common radical axis. You see, so you already see that is the radical axis externally, and is the external and is internal radical axis. Okay, now I'll come to the same points again. The radical axis, that the common points, pencil of coaxial circles. The collection of all coaxial circles is called a pencil of coaxial circles. So S equal to 0 is a circle and L equal to 0 is the radical axis. Then the pencil of coaxial circles or the equation of any circle is S plus lambda L equal to 0. So this is the thumb rule to utilize this solution of these two coaxial circles. Again, I am repeating this definition. The collection of all coaxial circles is called a pencil of coaxial circles. Whatever it is, collection of all coaxial circles is called a pencil of coaxial circles. So it is a package. It is a completely a point, or it is compact in a point. So it is that the collection of all coaxial circles is called a pencil of coaxial circles. If S equal to 0 is a circles, one circle, and L equal to 0 radical axis, you have to remember very cautiously. So it is the straight line, radical axis means it is the straight line, and it is the circle. So what is the relation between them? Radical axis, then the pencil of coaxial circles or the equation of any circle is S plus lambda L equal to 0. So lambda is an arbitrary constant. Now we are going to limiting points or point circle or limiting points. Point circle, in Bengali language, if you make a circle smaller to smaller, then you will see that there is a dot or is a point. It's called the point circle. The circle whose radius is 0 are called the point circle. The limiting points in a coaxial system, the point circle, are known as limiting points. Okay. The limiting points in a coaxial system, the point circles are known as limiting points, usually 2. You already understand why usually 2. The coaxial system the best ইয়ে হবে কি সাইকেল থাকবে the coaxial system the point cycles are known as limiting point cycles this is the point cycle that is the point cycle the point cycle is called the limiting point so up to this is the theoretical part in this part we have discussed the radial axis radial circle then point cycle the limiting points okay so you have to be limiting points point cycle then coaxial system or coaxial circles you already there which has the common radial axis common radial axis okay pencil of the coaxial system I told you there is a straight line along with this circle as plus lambda L is that pencil of coaxial circles line and then after radial center the intersection point of two radial axis the intersection point of two radial axis intersection point of two radial axis known as radial center again so the equation of radial axis is also so you have to remember the radial axis radial center then coaxial system
রেডিক্যাল সেন্টারের একটু বাংলায় বলবেন
sorry
রেডিক্যাল সেন্টার
radial center হচ্ছে বলো না the radial axis দুটো একটা cross section intersecting point of two radial axis we have already seen that there is a two radial axis so you see that for suppose this is the radial axis okay the radial axis. Again I am drawing radial axis from this one to this one to this one means this is the center to center then perpendicular on this in between suppose you have there's a two so this is the this R1 R2 whatever you write C1 C2 okay so it is our radial or radial axis so if we draw some another cycle here I'm drawing this cycle here this is the center joining the center first there is a perpendicular on it and it is cross section of the earlier radial axis you see earlier radial axis of R1 and R2 is suppose of then R1 and R3 there is another perpendicular line on the joining of this radius then this is the perpendicular line this touching here okay this is touching here so it is that
স্যার এবার বুঝতে পারছি স্যার
you see that perpendicular of the line the radial axis again R1 and R2 radial axis touching a point of intersection this is the radial understand now I think
yes sir understand sir
thank you so again you can draw at this one and draw the perpendicular of this coming so I think system of circle the theoretical part is finished we'll solve only one single problem then we'll go for today's class as well. Now you see in that the system of circles we will discuss of the it is chapter 8 we'll discuss these problems then exercise we will solve the 20 21 10 11 12 these I have added actually 10 11 22 20 21 22 up to this so we'll solve only few maths but I think you have to solve lots of maths that various categories I'll guide you that whatever you have you can solve all those okay so we have covered almost 30-40 minutes now suppose we are going to solve this problem prove that the circles these ones orthogonally and passes through the origin okay system of circles. So in case of the passes through the origin, the proof that the circles are orthogonally and circles passes through the origin. What we will do? At first, we have to find out the both circles center and radius. Both circles center and radius. So who can help me? I'm writing the both equations. Circles are equation. No, square by 6 a2y minus 2. Then 4x minus 5y. It's 24. Okay. So center and radius of equation 1 is, so it is that what? Center is minus 3 by 2 over 4 minus a minus x, so it is that plus and minus 4. So radius will be what? Minus equal to what? So it is that 9 by 4 plus 16 minus plus 4. So after calculation, you get a result. It is that root over is 9 by 2. Calculate it and find out the other things. Close. So I think same you can from the equation 2, you can calculate. Minus 2 plus 5 by 2 and radius is equal to just plus square minus c. Please put the value and find out what is the result here. The
9 by
2. So again, second one. Second one is what's the result? Second one is that it is root over 137 by 4. I'm just telling one thing. These some of these so these areas, suppose these areas and distance from this to both center of the cycle, I think it will be same. You add that suppose R1 plus R2. Or R1 square plus R2 square, and this is also same. So utilize this formula for perpendicularity. We have already keep all the results here. Yeah. Now, R1 step plus R2 step Q2. It is 1/4 plus 137 by 4 result. Again, distance from center of both sides. So finally, what is the point? Center is that. What is it? 2 minus. Okay. 2 minus plus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 4 minus 2. Please find out it. I think both results will be same. So this proves that the circles, hence the circles are orthogonals. You can tell it that O1 square, O1, O2 square. So as to it is a square, there will be no root side. So at first this one that 4, this 1 plus 1 7, well that 8, 2, 200 by 4. So it is coming 200 by 4 or not? Check it. Is coming the same result or not? Please check it. 200 by 4 and 1 is equal to 200 by 4. So next class we will start actually will solve the remaining problems from the chapter. What is remaining?
Sir, both are same. Same results, sir.
The last result you calculate it, it will be same. 218 by 4.
Yes, sir.
218 by 4. Okay.
Yes,
Same
sir.
result. Calculate by your calculator or manually you can calculate. It's very easy. What is that? It is coming there 3 plus 4. So 13. 13 divided by 4. Now, 49 divided by 48 divided by 4. First one. Then this same. Wait, that was 0. 13 divided by 2. That is 169 by 4. Add it. Take the LCM and add it. I have left to 1 point. It is the conjugate points. I'll show you the ellipse also. Conjugate points. It's important. Okay. So next class we'll discuss the remaining part system of cycle. I have solved only one problem. I think I hope that I will solve 2 more problems in the next class, inshallah. So about the attendance.
স্যার আমাদের পিডিএফটা একটু গুগল ক্লাসরুমে স্লাইডগুলো দিয়ে দিলে ভালো হতো স্যার।
Okay, দিদি। বলো দেওয়া নাই?
রেকর্ডিংটা দিলে স্যার ভালো হতো স্যার।
রেকর্ডিং কেন? ক্লাস তো করতেছো। রেকর্ডিং কেন লাগে?
অনেক সময় স্যার বুঝতে প্রবলেম হয়, মানে ভুলে যাই স্যার এটা কেন করেছিলাম, তখন স্যার দেখলে মনে পড়ে যে এই কারণে
স্যার
হয়েছে।
প্রায় যখন নেটে ডিস্টার্ব দেয় তখন মানে হেল্প হয়, কারণ আমাদের যে ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গেল তো আবার সমস্যা ওটার জন্য আর কি।
স্যার আজকে কয়েকবারই বের করে দিচ্ছে অনেক টাইমের জন্যই, মানে আজকে অনেক নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম করতেছে, তো রেকর্ডিংটা দিলে আজকে ভালো হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, রেকর্ডিং তো এগুলো দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে তাই না? অনেকটাই তো দিয়ে দিয়েছি, কিছু বাকি আছে নাকি? এই ফাহিম তুমি আমাকে এগুলো ডেট গুলো পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছো টেক্সট করে। মার্জানা কি আজকে আসো? মার্জানা হয় না রিউ?
জি স্যার আছি। জি স্যার।
চুপচাপ, কোনো আওয়াজ নেই, মানে সব বুঝতেছো? এখন থেকে তোমাকে দিব ক্লাস নিতে, তুমি সব বুঝছো
স্যার এখানে নেটের অনেক প্রবলেম হলে
ডাটা ইউজ করো, ডাটা তো কি প্রবলেম হয়?
স্যার অনেক এখানে নেটওয়ার্কটাই অনেক বাজে।
রোল 29
Present, sir.
Present.
Present.
1
One present, sir.
5 7
Yes, sir.
9
Present, sir.
11 15
Yes, sir.
17
Sir, 11 present, sir.
Sir, roll 17 present, sir.
18
Sir, 19 present, sir.
21 23
23 present, sir.
29
Sir, 29 present, sir.
31 31 33
Sir, 33 present, sir.
35 34
35 present, sir.
Maisha nahi? Maisha, are you there? Maisha আসছে সাউন্ড হচ্ছে Maisha
Her mic